2023 Toyota Camry. With less than 41,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It's cleverly designed to maximize convenience and comfort with features such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth. Take home the car of your dreams today.